In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create an account in GeForce Now. Well, you just need to head into the site directly, which is the nvidia.com/NUS GeForce Now/memberships. After entering the site, don't click any button since it will redirect you into another page. You just need to scroll down a little until you see this part, where you have to select your membership. So click the Join Free. Once you click this, you will be redirected into this page where you have to create your account. You can sign in using your Google account. Here you have to input your date of birth. And then click this CAPTCHA verification. Click the submit button, and as you can see, we have now created or registered our GeForce Now account. And that's it. That's how you can create an account in GeForce Now, and thank you for listening.